Hi, welcome to MobilBid Learn, silent auction tutorials, complete auction setup and management training sessions. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do during your auction. While the auction is running, there are various actions that could be performed to help it run smoothly. To see a list of your registered guests, press Patrons on the left side menu. Then activate View All Patrons button. You can manage patrons by choosing anyone on the list. From the Actions window, you can send the patron an invite to join the auction. To view items that have been added to the patron's invoice, go to Current Order. This indicates what the patron has bid on, purchased or donated during the auction. You can manually add items to a patron's order by clicking Add to Order. The items in the auction are listed here where you can bid on their behalf. To do so, click on Place Bid on the item you want to add. Enter the amount to bid in the Bid Amount field. And then click Submit Bid. Click OK to confirm your intentions. And the bid is confirmed. To add a donation instead of clicking Place Bid, click on Donate. Enter the amount to donate. And click Submit. Confirm by clicking OK. The donation has now been added to the patron's invoice order. To view reports, from the dashboard, click on Reports. Then click All Items. This provides a list of all the items with bids in real time during the auction. Simply refresh this screen to see updates. After the auction, you can download the report by clicking the down arrow in the top right corner. To view the leaderboards, go to the dashboard and scroll down to Leaderboards. Click on All Items. This reveals all the bids and donations, in lot number order. By clicking on Latest Bids, you can see all the bids sorted by the most recent. Congratulations! You have now covered the basics of what to do during an auction. Thanks for watching. In the next video, I'm going to show you what to do when your auction is finished.